Hey there, fellow farmers and gardening enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the heart of farming success, creating the perfect seedbed for your crops to thrive. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just getting started with your backyard garden, this video is packed with tips and tricks to help you grow those greens like a pro. Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk about what makes a seedbed perfect. Picture it like laying down a cozy blanket for your plants to snuggle into. It's all about setting the right foundation for success. 1. Clear the ground. First things first, let's clear out any debris, weeds, or rocks from our planting area. Think of it as tidying up your garden's room before inviting in the new guests, our precious seeds. 2. Loosen the soil. Now let's give our soil a little fluffing. Using a rake or a hoe, gently loosen up the top layer of soil. This helps improve aeration and drainage, giving our plant roots room to stretch and grow. 3. Amend with organic matter. Here's where the magic happens. Adding organic matter like compost or well-aged manure gives our soil the nutrients it craves. It's like serving up a nourishing meal for our plants. They'll thank us with bountiful harvests. 4. Level the playing field time to smooth things out. Using a rake, gently level the soil to create an even surface for planting. Think of it as giving our seeds a comfy mattress to rest on. They'll sleep soundly and sprout up strong. 5. Water wisely. Last but not least, let's give our seedbed a good drink. Water the soil thoroughly, but not excessively. We want it to be moist, not soggy. It's like Goldilocks finding that just right porridge. Our plants will thrive in the perfect balance. And there you have it, folks, the recipe for creating the perfect seedbed. By following these simple steps, you'll set your crops up for success and watch them flourish before your eyes. Remember, gardening is all about patience, love, and a little bit of dirt under your nails. So go ahead, dig in, and let's grow something amazing together.